All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use these manual controls. First of all, you have your power button. You press it here, and bam, it just opens up. Whatever setting you had it on when you closed it out, it usually goes right to that. Now, if I want to make this go lower, I would come to this fan, and I would click it. It goes to 1. That's the lowest setting. And it has 8 settings, so I can go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and bam, 8. And you can see it shows fan, it shows blustery. Now, if I want to change the mode, I would come up to this icon here and click this. Now it's on efficiency. When I click the next one, it's going to go nighttime. In nighttime, what it does, basically all it does is turn off the beeping sound. And then if I go one more time, it goes to auto. But I'm going to keep it on super cool right here. Now, if I want it to oscillate, I would press this and it will go back and forth in 180 degrees. So check it out. So it's going to move slowly, but this way you can kind of fan your whole room. You follow me? So it's just twisting around, and that's basically how it works. When it gets back to the front here, we'll go ahead and click that again, and that will stop it. So if I click it again, that stops the oscillation. And then if you want to turn it off, you just press this button here. Bam, done. That is how you do it. All right, so that is the Dreo Tower Fan. It's super powerful, really easy to set up. You just plug it in the wall and bam, Bob's your uncle. Highly recommend.